Hello traders, today we will take few trades. If you check here, I have opened a OTC pair. Okay, what is the scenario here? The market is at a resistance area. We'll take the trade from the next candle. Here, can I go with buyers? Yes, here I can go with buyers. Why? If you understand one thing, okay, I have taken a somewhat late entry. Okay, we'll see what will happen. Okay, I will explain you the scenario first of all. Here, what is the scenario? The market is at a resistance area and the market just now has been break the area and it is trying to make a zone. Why? How can I say this thing means? If you check the previous red candle, does it make any new low or a new high? No, right? So you can't make a conclusion here. If this candle was a selling candle, yeah, you can go with sellers again. If this was a buying candle, yeah, obviously you can continue for the buyers. But my probability is maximum for the buyers. So that's why only I have gone with buying candle. So try to understand what I'm saying about. Sometimes some areas will be clumsy. According to that, we should take trades. See, I got lost because my entry point, okay, but my prediction is perfect. And now I will go with again buyers because as I mentioned before, I can easily go with buyers. So obviously the buying pressure is high. If you check the comparing to the buying candles, how much strong the area is. If this candle closes at that level only, then we can make a reversal selling continuously. Remember this thing. Whenever you are trading, you need to identify those things that which helps you a lot. Here in these kind of scenarios, you could get with confusion. But if you understand the scenarios, if you try to practice this kind of scenarios, you can easily overcome according to the situations. So try to understand what I'm talking about. See here, the buyers have been entered, but it was rejected and closed exact the area inside the zone. So obviously you can expect a selling candle now. So I will do one thing with margin of safety. I will go with sellers confidently because as we all know that market already tried twice. Still you have a rejection, still no new highs, and these all things are there, right? So obviously you can't expect a buying candle continuously because the rejections itself denote that the sellers are strong. Okay, so try to go with sellers up to next buying area, which means there was a area where the buyers have been entered previously. We'll see what will happen. Okay, as of now I am going with sellers. So try to understand what I'm talking about. According to situation, take trades. Every trade won't be win because sometimes we end up with emotions, sometimes we end up with margin of safety. These all things will happen. So try to understand. Here I have a 50-50 chance. So I will do one thing. I will go with buyers because here I didn't get any clarity whether the market could go down or up. Because the market, as I mentioned, it was in a zone. Once this was a red candle, yeah, I will continue that the market will go down. So these, you guys consider this as a confirmation areas. Already previously you have got one confirmation and second this one take it as a confirmation, but I have gone with buyers. I have a doubt here, so I am mentioning this point before itself. If I am lost, okay, I can recover, but you need to be stay alert at these kind of areas. So try to understand what I'm talking about. According to the scenarios, here two things can happen. The zone which will follow. Second thing, the zone which could break out and it could come down. Remember this. See, here I got a selling candle. So I will confidently go with sellers now because previously I thought maybe there could be zone that could respect and it will continue. But here I didn't find any buying candle. So obviously I will take the strong selling candle. There is nothing because left side I don't have any levels as of now. So obviously I could win this trade. So easily I am going with sellers. Our rule is simple. Once the momentum has been started up to a buying candle, we will go with only sellers. No need to think much. No need to think regarding these kind of areas also because we have been taking trades on the momentum so many areas, so many times. So we no need to think much regarding these things. So according to the flow, obviously you can expect a selling candle. What could be the next candle? See here, obviously the sellers have been entered. Okay, we got win. What could be the next candle? Yeah, follow the momentum. That's it. Now, there is nothing much to think. In the previous area market, there was a zone. So that's why we have been following some rules with confirmations. But here, after a breakout, market got a confirmation, continuously selling candles. Try to go with sellers. And one more thing, if you get a buying candle in between, you should consider it as a retracement. Remember this thing. Without any proper area, proper level, market won't make any kind of reversals. In the middle, if the market has been reversed, means try to check the levels, whether I have missed any level or not. So don't think much, just follow the rules like it is. So as expected, I am going with sellers. We'll see what will happen. See here, the sellers have been entered. So obviously we got win. Left side, I have a clumsy area, but the selling candle is strong. So I will follow the momentum. We'll see what will happen. Okay. If it is lost, yeah, we will continue again according to the situation. See here, there is a clumsy area, 50-50 chance. So I am following the selling momentum only. We'll see what will happen. Okay. No need to think much. I am always following the momentum because I will get number of opportunities regarding momentum. So that's why I have been following the momentum. We'll see what will happen. I have taken margin of safety also. We'll see whether our luck is good or not. If the luck is bad, what we will do? We will again try to take trade and recover our losses. That's it. There is nothing much to think. Okay, the buyers have, maybe the momentum is too fast, so that's why the candles are getting size bigger. Okay, we got loss. I agree. 50-50, we got loss. Now I will confidently go with sellers because as I mentioned before so many times that whenever we have a momentum in between, we have got a retracement. After that, we will continue to the next candle according to the momentum side. And we have double confirmation. What? Already the market has been respected the resistance area. Tried twice. Still the sellers are dominating. So obviously you can go with sellers here confidently. See, news candle may be this much strong instantly. Okay, whatever it is. But our direction and our prediction is perfect. In between you may get losses like this. Actually, previous candle also we can't get loss, but the probability has been changed because the strong momentum, right? So I thought I could make at least a weak candle, but it had made a buying candle instantly. Maybe any news results. Okay. Now what could be the next candle? Can I go with sellers again or buyers? See, obviously I will go with sellers here because I will follow the momentum. We'll see what will happen. Because whenever we follow the momentum, maximum we will win. 1 or 2 times we will lose later, even though we can easily cover those trades also. So try to understand what I'm talking about. Here I have followed only the momentum. In between I got a retracement. Even though I have gone with sellers only, still I am in continuously winning trades. See, try to understand what I'm talking about. When you have consistency, easily you can overcome your losses. You need to understand these things because consistency only makes you profitable. Okay, here the sellers are getting stronger. Can I go with buyers again? Sorry, sellers again. Yeah, I didn't find any weakness, right? So I will try to go with sellers again. Okay, I have taken the selling trade. We'll see what will happen. So whenever if you find a momentum, check the probability according to the situation. If you have left side, I have shown you level, right? If you have those kind of things, yeah, try to wait or take margin of safety. Even previous candle like it comes means we can't do anything because the margin of safety also didn't work. But I am saying that if you really want to take trade, if you really want to go with the momentum, means follow the momentum maximum. You will win. See here the buyers are entered like previous. This time I won't take any extra margin of safety trades because already one time lost, it is fine. later we have been recovered. Same scenario, we will get one candle, later we will continue. You can say, sir, how can you say next candle will be sellers? Because if you check the selling candle, there is no weakness at all. Because of the level, you got a retracement, that's it. Again, the market will continue. So with margin of safety, see, I am going with strongly with sellers again. So try to understand, maybe in this video, you have got something new to learn and how to react according to the momentum areas, according to the levels, and what are the confirmations you need to take. After the confirmations, how you need to behave according to the market conditions. Maybe you could understand these all things. I think this will be my last trade because I have taken so many trades continuously. Only my losses are retracements. Rest all I have followed only the selling. See how many wins I have only taken sell, sell, sell continuously. Only 2 losses. Rest all win. So you need to understand. That's why I have been saying so many times, momentum, try to follow, try to follow. Is it clear? After this winning, I will close the session. See, finally we got win. Okay guys, I think you have got something new to learn. Okay guys, have a nice day. Thank you. Take care.